Hey, what's up guys? Vinny here. Today we're doing something a little different. You know me for electric vehicle reviews, but let's switch gears and talk about the ECM Synchronika Espresso Machine with flow control. Yeah, we're diving into the world of coffee machines today. Every morning across the world, millions partake in a ritual as old as time, the brewing of coffee. This simple act, often performed half awake, is transformed into an art form by the ECM Synchronika Espresso Machine. Today, we embark on a journey not just through the rich history of coffee, but through the intricate workings of one of the most impressive prosumer espresso machines on the market. From its legendary origins in the Ethiopian highlands to its current status as a staple in kitchens and cafes worldwide. Coffee's history is as rich and complex as its flavors. The story of coffee begins in the ancient Ethiopian highlands, where legend speaks of Kaldi, a goat herder who discovered the energizing properties of the coffee bean. From these humble beginnings, coffee embarked on a global voyage, weaving its way from East African roasteries via trade to the Arabian Peninsula and flowering into a cultural phenomenon in the coffee houses of Istanbul and Venice. And at the heart of this story today is the ECM Synchronika, a machine that promises to transform our morning rituals into a symphony of precision and taste. So first off, the ECM Synchronika isn't your average espresso machine. This thing is a beast in the world of prosumer espresso machines, and I wanted to see how it compares to my current setup. The price tag at $3,100 is a bit steep, but let's see what you get for that. As you open the box, you'll find the ECM Synchronika Espresso Machine itself neatly packed alongside a range of accessories. I ordered the walnut accented bundle. Below are some of the items that shipped with the machine. A standard black handled bottomless portafilter, a walnut handled bottomless portafilter, a walnut handled single spout portafilter, a standard black handled double spout portafilter, a 58mm ECM polished steel flat tamper, a Lunar 2021 scale, a back flush blank, a square drip drain cup, a braided plumb line, flow control device with standard black handle, a group head brush, the user manual, and a drip tray attachment. Upon unboxing, the first thing you'll notice is the machine's robust build quality and elegant design. The stainless steel construction gives it a professional and premium feel. Before you start, it's crucial to read the user manual thoroughly. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a newbie, understanding the specifics of this machine is key to getting the best out of it. Water quality is paramount for any espresso machine, and the ECM Synchronika is no exception. You should start by using the included water hardness test strips to check the hardness of your water. Ideally, it should be between 35 to 85 ppm. If your water is too hard, you'll need to soften it to prevent scale buildup, which can damage the machine. For now, I have decided to use store-bought spring water. The PID Control manages the temperature of both the coffee and steam boilers. The machine comes with factory settings, but you can adjust these based on your preferences. The machine provides detailed instructions on programming the PID, including turning off the PID display and setting up the group cleaning mode reminder. For the purpose of this video, I will leave the stock settings. Once I learn more, I may deep dive into the PID settings. Setting up the ECM Synchronika is an experience that prepares you for the exceptional coffee brewing journey ahead. Take your time with each step to ensure everything is done correctly. Remember, the quality of your espresso will be significantly influenced by how well you set up and maintain your machine. Enjoy the process, and soon you'll be crafting barista-level coffees in the comfort of your own home. Build quality is impeccable. The machine boasts a dual boiler system, meaning you can brew and steam simultaneously, a big plus for efficiency. The boilers are stainless steel, ensuring durability and consistent temperature. The PID controller is a neat feature allowing you to tweak the boiler temperature. This is crucial for getting the best flavor out of your coffee, and the integrated shot timer is a nice touch. The flow control device is where the Synchronika really shines. This allows you to manually profile your extractions, unlocking nuanced flavors in your coffee that standard machines might miss. I usually get my beans from the local grocery store, so the beans are at least 30 days from roast date, which is not ideal. For the older beans, I use a profile where I close the flow control unit all the way shut to make sure I'm at the correct starting point for consistency. Then I open it 2/4 turn. I start the shot at the 2/4 turn mark. In around 7 to 8 seconds, I get the first drips of espresso, and I open it another 2/4 turn to complete the shot to around 25 to 35 seconds, depending on the amount of flow achieved. It took me several shots of tinkering around to find the best shot that works for me. There are a million variables, so your journey will more than likely land you at a totally different profile. As for steam power, it hits 2 bars. Impressive for creating smooth lattes and cappuccinos. It features an insulated grip and is no burn, with swappable steam tips, making it versatile for different steaming preferences. The steam wand is fully articulated, adding to the ease of use. Aesthetic-wise, ECM didn't disappoint. The machine features stainless steel internals in the iconic E61 brew group, giving it a sleek and clean look, while also being practical for maintenance. It features an adjustable flow rate, essential for dialing in the perfect extraction, and is built from chrome-plated brass, which adds to the machine's robustness. The brew group size is 58 millimeters, a standard in commercial machines, allowing you to use a wide range of accessories. And for those looking to plumb their machine, the Synchronika offers this option, further enhancing its prosumer appeal. In terms of accessories, you'll get a single and double spout portafilter, various baskets, a tamper, and more. The machine is also customizable. You can choose different panels, knobs, and portafilters, adding a personal touch to your coffee setup. The only thing that wasn't provided in the bundle was a milk frothing pitcher. Luckily, I already had the pitcher that shipped with my Breville espresso machine. Okay, let's talk performance. The shots I pulled with the Synchronika were impressive. The ability to fine-tune every aspect of the brewing process means you can get cafe quality coffee right at home. The steam power also makes milk texturing a breeze, perfect for latte art enthusiasts. I, unfortunately, have not been able to crack the code on latte art, but perhaps my latte art is just more abstract, and art is in the eye of the beholder. Okay, continuing the talk on performance. The dual boiler configuration is a game changer. This means you can brew espresso and steam milk simultaneously without waiting for the machine to switch modes. Each boiler is insulated and made from stainless steel, offering durability and maintaining stable temperatures. The brew controller has a 25 fluid ounce volume, and the steam boiler a substantial 67 fluid ounce, ensuring you won't run out of steam power during those back-to-back brews. For convenience, the machine has a passively heated cup warmer, ensuring your cups are always ready for coffee. The drip tray is another thoughtful addition, with a capacity of 45 fluid ounces and made from stainless steel, making it easy to clean and maintain. In conclusion, the ECM Synchronika Espresso Machine with flow control is a serious machine for the home barista looking to elevate their coffee game. The price is high, but the level of control, build quality, and the coffee it produces justify the cost for serious coffee enthusiasts. If you're looking to make a long-term investment in your coffee journey, the Synchronika is definitely worth considering. The ECM Synchronika is not just about making great coffee, it's about providing a professional, customizable, and convenient coffee brewing experience. Whether you're a seasoned barista or just passionate about your morning espresso, this machine has something to offer. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Vinny signing off. We'll see you on the next one.